Welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into really important topic 6 drinks that are great for people with diabetes. If you are someone you love is managing diabetes, you know that keeping blood sugar level stable is crucial. One way to help with this is by making smart choices about what we drink every day. Many popular beverages like sodas and sugary fruit juices can cause sudden spikes in blood sugar, which can be harmful and challenging to manage. But don't worry, there are plenty of delicious, refreshing, and healthy alternatives out there. They can help you stay hydrated and keep your blood sugar in check. In this video, I am going to share with you my top 6 favorite drinks that are safe and beneficial for diabetics. We are going to talk about why these drinks are good for you, how they can help manage your blood sugar levels, and some tips on how you can easily incorporate them into your daily routine. Alright, let's jump into our list of top 6 drinks that are perfect for diabetics. These choices will not only help you manage your blood sugar but also keep you feeling great throughout the day. Here are 10 drinks suitable for people with diabetes, focusing on low sugar content and healthy ingredients. Let's get started. Number 1, water. Staying well hydrated is crucial for everyone, but it is especially important for people with diabetes. Proper hydration helps maintain overall health and supports various bodily functions. Adequate hydration helps keep blood sugar levels stable. Dehydration can lead to higher blood glucose level because it makes the blood more concentrated with sugar. Water has no calories, making it an ideal drink for managing weight, which is often a key aspect of diabetes management. Unlike many other beverages, water contains no carbohydrates or sugar, so it does not raise blood glucose level. This makes it a better choice compared to sugar drinks, fruit juices, or even some milk alternatives that can have hidden sugars. Proper hydration supports kidney function, which is vital for people with diabetes as they are at higher risk of kidney disease. Good hydration helps maintain healthy blood circulation, which can reduce the risk of complications such as neuropathy and cardiovascular issues. Number 2, herbal teas. Herbal tea can be beneficial for diabetes patients, offering a natural way to manage blood sugar levels and support overall health. Certain herbs like cinnamon, ginger, and turmeric have shown potential in improving insulin sensitivity and reducing blood glucose level. Chamomile and peppermint teas may aid in digestion and relaxation, contributing to better overall metabolic health. However, it is essential for diabetes patients to consult with their healthcare provider before incorporate herbal teas into their regimens, as some herbs can interact with medication or affect blood sugar control. Number 3, black coffee. Black coffee, a beverage made from roasted coffee beans without any added sugar, milk, or cream, has been a topic of interest for diabetes patients due to its potential impact on blood sugar levels and overall health. Black coffee is virtually calorie-free and contains no carbohydrates, fat, or sugars. It is primarily composed of water and a small amount of caffeine along with antioxidant and other bioactive compounds. Coffee is one of the richest sources of antioxidant in the diet. Antioxidants help combat oxidative stress, which can damage cells and is associated with many chronic diseases including diabetes. Drinking black coffee regularly might make your body better at using insulin, which is important for keeping blood sugar levels steady. The people who drink coffee over the long term have a lower chance of getting type 2 diabetes, possibly because of the antioxidant in coffee that help reduce inflammation and stress in the body. Number 4, vegetable juices. Vegetable juice can be highly beneficial for diabetes patients due to its nutritional profile and low glycemic index. Vegetables like spinach, kale, and cucumber are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants which help support overall health. These nutrients can improve immune function, enhance energy levels, and reduce inflammation, which is often higher in people with diabetes. Additionally, vegetable juice are generally low in sugar and calories, making them a safe choice for maintaining stable blood sugar level. The high water content in vegetable juices aid in hydration, which is crucial for metabolic process. Including vegetable juice as a part of a balanced diet can thus help manage diabetes effectively while providing a refreshing and nutritious beverage option. Number 5. Almond milk. Almond milk can be beneficial for diabetes patients due to several reasons. It has a low glycemic index, which means it does not cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels. Unsweetened almond milk is low in carbohydrates, helping to maintain stable blood sugar levels. Additionally, it is nutrient rich, providing essential vitamins and minerals such as vitamin E, which has antioxidant properties, and calcium, important for bone health. Almond milk is also generally low in calories compared to dairy milk, aiding in weight management and important factor for diabetes control. Almond milk contains healthy fats that contribute to cardiovascular health, a critical consideration for diabetes patients. Number 6. Coconut water. Coconut water is a natural source of electrolytes, vitamins, and minerals. Drinking coconut water in moderation may help with hydration and blood sugar control. Its nutrient-rich profile and a low glycemic index make it a suitable choice for people with diabetes. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumb up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. And if you have any question or suggestion for future video, feel free to leave them in the comment below. Until next time, take care and stay tuned for more exciting content.